What is going on, everyone? It's been a while since I posted on my channel, but this is my new rig. This is 76 F150. It has a 390 in it with a 4-speed manual transmission and 4-wheel drive. Lockouts in front. I'm just gonna go for a little drive and talk about where we're going with this truck. I'd like to restore this truck and make it a little bit nicer and do some summertime driving with it, stuff like that. So if you want a raw video of me driving this truck without me talking, there is going to be a link in the description for that video, because I also have already done one of those videos. I haven't uploaded it yet. Probably gonna upload it today as well as this one. So there's that. I'm also gonna do a cold start video today too, so there will be a link for that video as well. So I paid $2,400 for this truck. I have put a new carburetor in it since I bought it already, because it did not really run when I bought it. I have to put a new radio in it. I have the stock one, but I see no point in putting a stock radio in this when I already have it out, which is how I got it. So heat does work, and everything else really, I haven't done anything to this truck. I put a new carburetor in it, and that's about it. And then I've been just driving it. I've owned it for maybe 5 days now. So yeah, and I'm pretty overall pleased for what I paid for and the condition the truck is in. I have a walk around video that I'm going to be uploading as well. It actually is probably going to be uploaded before I upload this video, so be sure to check that out. If you are new to this channel, which obviously you are because only like 5 people watch my channel, then feel free to subscribe so you can see all the updates on this truck by clicking the bell and everything and all that shit. So yeah, I plan on doing a lot of videos of this truck in the next month, because of everything that's going on. I am not really working that much right now, so I figured I'd do some stuff that I like, and you know, I'm staying away from people, so it's not like I'm harming anybody or nothing like that. I'm sticking to myself. So yeah, be sure to stick around, subscribe, watch all the shit that I'm going to be doing about this truck, and yeah, that's about it. Take her easy.